Have you ever felt stuck? You want success? You want a better life? But your habits hold you back? Then this story is for you. Once upon a time, in a calm mountain village, there lived a young man named Zayan. He was 22, full of dreams and full of potential. Zayan often said, "One day, I will build the biggest shop in this village. People from everywhere will come to buy from me." Everyone admired his confidence. But there was one problem. Zayan never took action. While others worked in the hot sun, he rested in the shade, dreaming but never doing. One evening, Zayan's wise grandfather visited him. He looked at Zayan and said gently, "My son, dreams are good, but effort makes them real." The grandfather gave him a wooden box. Inside were two scrolls, the road of discipline and the road of comfort. "Your life will follow whichever road you choose," he said. That night, Zayan couldn't sleep. He stared at the scrolls and wondered, why do I want success, but choose comfort every day? The next morning, before the sun rose, Zayan woke up with a decision. He would walk the road of discipline. He went to the market, set up a tiny stall, and began working. It was small, but it was a start. Day after day, Zayan worked hard. Some days brought success, some brought failure, but he never stopped. Months passed. His stall became a shop. And soon, Zayan owned the biggest store in the village, the same dream he once only talked about. One day, a little boy asked him, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" Zayan smiled and said, "Every day you choose one of two roads. Choose discipline, even when it's hard. Because your life is shaped by the road you walk, not the road you dream about." Dreams don't work unless you do. Start today. Start small, but start. If this story inspired you, like the video and subscribe for more.